Okay, Mami and Papa, them fellow Ambazonians, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from which side you watch this show. I will talk and very sincerely say I be absolutely very happy for say God don't give all we yet another day inside December. As you be aware, today is Sunday, December 13th, 2020. Where it means we'll get only 12 days to Christmas and we'll get probably less than 18 days, mid-month finish, as a matter of fact. Where it means small time we'll go there for New Year for 2021. And this one, it will tell you one thing. Today, I'll go straight to the point. You know, we get a few people, then when they say this revolution a joke. And when I talk a few people, I mean people the way they feel say when they say me ghost town hall. They feel say they feel do otherwise. As Eric Tato, I feel tolerate all other things, but I don't feel tolerate no man when they defy ghost town. Write that one down. All man go hashtag no to defaulters of ghost town. You just write no to defaulters of ghost town, or you just write no to defaulters. Hashtag. Make it be very clear. Say, now one thing that way, I'm not going to tolerate them. Me as the Gary Master. Yes. And any man whether me follow Eric Tato no say, now man will eat the talk, they eat do one. I'm not going to talk very clearly. Absolutely clear. If you disrespect Ghost Town on Monday, listen very attentively. And I will show example from tomorrow. Any man who disrespect Ghost Town, my name is Eric Tato. Makwo. I talk to me picking the go school now. When I see on the steps of Mount School, apart from the evil genesis of a revolution and so la Republic, them way they go keep picking them for Kumba. But see school, they go fine. All man be happy. But me be clear about Ghost Town. Now me Eric Tato at the talk. They don't block the page all kind of way suppress them. Because they know what you feel do. Write and go down. Say no to defaulters. Any man from Monday where they inside Ambazonia, you disrespect Ghost Town. If you want to come out for go outside on Monday, whether you're not 200 years old or you're not 10 years old, or how many years will you there? Call your papa or your sister or your uncle or your will. The only people who tolerate them when they feel come out, na person get emergency. So you carry one person go for hospital. If some person below the egg now, if you carry the go one time. If some job boy from Monday say collapse, if you carry fighters, they will understand when they shoot for road. But listen very attentively, especially for people that get stores and businesses. One thing will happen. If you open your store on Monday, they go burn them. Now me I talk. They go do it, the store will be burned down. Now me Eric Tato I talk. Yes, I not get money for draft. When I consume money, that not concern me. But me, I know how to burn any my store with open store for Ghost Town there. This one not be negotiation. They need to negotiate with man when they disrespect Ghost Town. Put that one for your head. Look the man when they talk the talk. Not be that people the way they make propaganda on Facebook. In case you don't forget, now Eric Tato they tell you. I need to negotiate when I pass an order. Get the point. All my way, I need compromise when it comes to Ghost Town. Any other thing we discuss. Better say na chief way go vote for regional election. But you disrespect Ghost Town when a tradition. Oh la la. This one need talk na say na noise. You know very well. I will see him. Any man share this message. Any man, listen. Especially for Buea and Bamenda. These two capitals. Our political and our economic capital. If you disrespect them, and it applies to the whole of Ambazonia. Now while I say I come to the vocal talk, they want a traffic light. I always show now yellow. Me say tomorrow you turn red. See, listen. Ma talk clearly. When I feel you do that on a team them with the other people, but not with Eric Tato. Not with Eric Tato. 1 minute. They suggest I block some person. I see the person before I continue. So make it be clear, absolutely clear. Now me Eric Tato turn on the talk. Quote me anywhere. Listen, maybe when I don't do this in a small magu them and so on for Facebook, no. One thing they want to know about myself, better not talk. And if I not talk, when I know, if I say something, go go. Do at the top and instructions, they be firm on the ground. I run things. If I say you open your store, they go burn and me say they go burn the store. And he can't talk for you, say it might be. I say it will be, it must be burned down. If you dare it from Monday, Buea, Limbe, Tiko, Mamfe, anywhere, any store where they open up, we must burn them. That is see. One thing they will be clear. They said, give to Caesar what is Caesar's, and unto God what is God's. Go to your school, they are right. Go stand, respect them. Now rebels are right. If you default that order, and the rebellion shall be on you, and you know what it means for a rebel to have an eye on you. I'll come back to that issue for Ghost Town. Listen very attentively. I don't know why some people, every time they live, they say, put your flag. My explain on one thing about flag. Flag day, they sell a wedding ring. My explain on one thing. Before I explain, I will show aside my flag day. So that next time, people they watch, they know the axe flag again. So when you come, so you see my flag right there. Okay. So me be clear, flag for put flag for barrier show at the top. It not make you of an Ambazonian pass some person. Put it the way they get spirit for amber pass some of which on the top where they not got opportunity for no side for buy flag. So we not talk flag is not the issue. The flag is right there in my house. Anytime enter any man enter no say it's on amber Monday for the house. That can be clear. Anybody, all my picking them know say they be amber. That one is clear. That one you need to negotiate them for the household. Now, I don't talk about the ghost town issue. And the next day I want to talk to chiefs and councillors. Chiefs and councillors. Get them very clear. When I talk about the ghost town issue, I can't talk about live show. It be imperative because Papa them, when they get their picking, the way they almost borrow money, they open stores. Them. You get right for sale from Sunday to Sunday. So one day they will not fit ever open your store. If you open your store, we will put that capital to ashes. Listen, when revolution day, you got to sympathize with what they sympathize with you. Even for nothing, some people doesn't know, but this brother, the elder to be talking me picking they go school, and he tried to protect them to a maximum capacity. Now, if you make a request for we for continue for respect goes down, just use your conscience. No, under normal circumstances, you know, I don't even kind of Facebook I talk about the ghost town issue. But because of what they feel say, they feel do otherwise. Man, I tell one thing, if you open your store on Monday, and if you take me at the next 1 week for strategize or burn the store, go burn out. Yes. If you take me at the next 1 week. So please, do not disrespect ghost town. Than say me disrespect ghost town, better I work and naked because you feel be safe. Because for disrespect ghost town, it equals to say you take your hand, you take gun, you load and put up for your mouth, shoot yourself. Now the exact explanation of that. So that one, they need a negotiator. Number 2, chiefs and councillors in one. Congratulations for now. You can clap for yourself. My talk am very clearly. You see, the truth. Now say, every stage for a revolt, it get compromise, and then it get the elastic limit, the point of satiety. It get the last stretch. When they be cash fund from so, now because Abukemi they release him, one activist, Eric Tato. Why? Because for any revolution, you must first of all garner sympathy, like gather and people they see your intention to be good as should not always be good. And now any declaration of America about chiefs, so man of just say the man don't wicked my door and say me all man no they find no. They catch chief from soil and not be see the raison d'etre for arresting the chief. Those people they be argue say, oh, you want to go vote, but we can't defend him. So when I see say Eric Tato is not an enemy to the chiefs, he's a good man who wants all the chiefs to be respected. But they say, give unto Caesar what is Caesar's, and unto God what is God's. To end a Sunday, chiefs they dislocate themselves from the society. They do they go vote for inside Paul BI organized election. Although it not affect Ambassador for any way, but that simple action na treason. On my hashtag treason. So today, the 13th of December 2020, which is Sunday, Eric Tato announced here authoritatively say, all chiefs when they vote for that election, they be banned from Ambazonia. Listen, and it be very, very clear. Now only one condition, write it down. All chiefs they be banned. Now only one condition feel reverse the ban. Any chief we want to reverse the ban, they get to buy 10 AKs, 10 guns. Make sure say you do video, send them who see them, then you get them for the boys that will direct you to get the guns. We don't need your money, buy the guns and 10. If you want to negotiate buy them for military or for Nigeria, buy and bring them, we'll check them. Make sure you don't get tracking device, everything. And if you put tracking device, we're going to know that something happen, we'll put another group of backup for get you down. Write it down. Wait where the chiefs they do and treason. Write them for down. I mean Eric Tato. And if you want to move, reverse your punishment. Listen, I tell one thing, right? Me be very, very, very clear. Very clear. I become here, I defend Chief from Saul, my last blood. I even called the general where he arrested. Suppose they say, oh, don't kill that general. That general, they fine. You know about that? All that small fake stories, and I forgot about it. And negotiate the release for him. So other people is not diaspora, Chris and them, they take 20 million plus for the release, but they not help for release the chief. But now, when I so common now, every my voice, show me the respect now, when I do now. When I go vote for a colonial support of special status against the will of the rebels. We will now get for the protection. So for that reason, we declare all the chiefs them as facilitators of the colonial regime. And their act now in an act of treason. Therefore, listen very attentively, you be chief. Now me and listen. They talk, not be different man they talk. Not be this mushroom them for social media where they only can make noise. They not even talk to one. But they talk because no chief no will stay again for a village. No one. Salas I tell for when I finish this show, move and put up for Facebook, for YouTube because they go, I know they go delete them. Put on YouTube, move share. Listen very attentively. No chief. If you catch any chief for village, we go vote. We know all the way they vote. Arrest the chief. Now, me talk. Anywhere in Amazonia, chiefs don't exist. Listen. Chiefs don't exist. Now, me I don't talk about. What? You go vote for support Paul Biya agenda. Man, we don't give 25,000 Amazonians. It don't change nothing. But it tell we say you not be able, you be green leg. Listen to what I'm saying. No chiefs, they don't cease for exist for Amazonia. The only way you feel instead the authority now 10 guns, AK-47, 10. Listen, this one we need a negotiator. There is no compromise. Now me every time I talk, quote me anywhere. Oh, I hear they say there's some person come and then for Equinox, they say that do they respond and wait till I write for reply. Say, oh, every time you go among the poor, they don't repatriate you from America. Repatriate me. Me. How the offices smoke for repatriator? If it's be smoking and saying a noise, no. By the way, all my wife for Grand Zero, where you hear that talk, the generation are part of that propaganda. Eric Tato will never, ever be repatriated. It will never happen. Never. Listen very attentively. So any chief will not see for any village. Statue of my village can then arrest the chief. We not one chief again, except each chief get 10 AK-47. 10. Not take 9 and small pistol, not 10. That is clear. Yes, exceptions a day because people in their communities, they know the chiefs away. And no one calls on chief for you, they go me like the public go compromising or go find me. Now, any community know chiefs they vote, will know them. So why I talk, it be generic, but fighters now they know for their communities. So any chief, listen, very, very attentively. Now me every time I talk. Look the date today. Now 12 days to Christmas. It's not a joke. And may we listen. If you never diaspora, your papa na chief, your uncle na chief, your auntie or whosoever or related to chief, not be auntie, your brother, if all them, call them, tell them now so every time don't talk. Yes, we now see in the next from tomorrow. We not see, we not hear the amount of chiefs that they arrest them. You not get 10 AK, you need shake. 10. Not give money. Gun. You must buy the guns and bring them for camp. So all the chiefs that they go vote, all northern zone, southern zone, all should be arrested. So now that is for the chiefs. For councillors. Councillors them when they go vote. You go bring 12 guns. 12. I say how many guns? 12. So you better start by one every day till Christmas. Before Christmas, make sure so you don't fulfill. So me be very, very clear. All municipal councillors must be arrested. It's a must. Trust me, say after the page will go down, hopefully, but okay. We'll create a new page. Because thing and the way will not be tolerated inside revolution. Now when I can't advocate for some things, they can't make noise now because you don't understand. You get to move from one stage to another. You must show your sympathy. The good person will be must be seen to the world. Almighty watchness Eric Tatum a good man. I always can fight for injustices. They be arrest form from software. If they be already wipe form from software, like, oh, the whole world for people say, oh, why on a key chief, why on a do this? Because we not be given the opportunity for you to show you bad side to moon against sympathy. But at the time, the fund we don't do nothing. If it gains sympathy. But now, when I say we the rebels will get sympathy because all man see our goodwill. Cheap lie, we do all kinds of things. Will they be talk, the way we talk? Ego will be all assume say be there for under if they not got duress. Type it go. And then no. You guys go with the other car. You go. So go ahead. So that's it. No, I'll use it. So that's how it operates. That's how it operates. All the chiefs ban 10 guns before you are free. Councillors ban 10, 12 guns before you are free. Councillors. When I take money for council, buy gun. Give me. Because if you listen, matter on one thing. This revolution, we need to romance people. Between them people school very freely. See every Nigeria which happen for Kankara, where they don't go attack school, kidnap picking them, but no one other day. So it shows we rebels and we are good people. Now I want to talk say, make no rebel no can advocate about any issue about school. School is completely done. We don't leave school to go on. To get 2 billion and one way therefore continuously follow up this revolution. Get them clear. So chiefs out. Now, why would you look at this beer and it props them? Man, not give the message to Yaoundé. Oh, Amba, they watch me. When I don't ask yourself, say, why this say when the Eric Tatum can talk something about fire for La Republique? So, oh, in 2-3 days, when I hear something for Yaoundé or for Douala, there won't be the very moment fire will come out someplace. When I see the hotel, what happen for Yaoundé? So, techniques and day. My tell how much I spend for that hotel. Yeah, they say it comes from the kitchen, it comes this. I will take the responsibility because that's my job. Listen, anything we do for La Republique, now so for the operate. You feel use every inside a hotel, if you use waitress, person for bar, person you cook for kitchen. I get all the way there. They never ever catch her. They see talk, I will talk on the Facebook, but I will still do the next one. So now we see when I can't write say, oh, that hotel they are on the day so fire they don't burn and they burn. But they say, oh no, na lie until they start post video. Like say I know we don't get the video. I never hold those videos them. Leave at me when I post and they make all noise. But one thing that I get to know about Eric Tatum. Any time I write something on National Telegraph and from my page, I need to do propaganda. John no say if I talk say the man don't die or this thing don't happen. No say now 100% authentic. So when I don't see the number of fire incidents for inside La Republique, the last days old, I talk about 18. Wait till happen. When I see the fire, then they, I mean beyond no. Now so it will always be inside French Cameroon. And I mean every time I talk. We'll go from hotels to hotels, markets to markets. All those areas as I talk, with the first time soft target. So it's too wide, they cannot protect it. When I see the hotel, when I read them, I'm fair right, I stay like 14 hours, then the other people, they come for back, carry the report of video. You both saw it. So, that one, the hotel, and one thing. And now what I want to say, me, I spent how much to burn that hotel. Because it was a very neat job. That cost me a lot. And today na Sunday. Before maybe Wednesday or the other week or the week comes, so I will do something either for Bafoussam, Douala, or Yaoundé. Even Gangere, I plan something for them. Listen, it's clear. Now I don't say, oh, I'm about to get Eric money. I want to go broke prison or I want to go do this. Most Amba people say, let me get money. Now $50 or $20, how much will help you? You will not do nothing with $50. Now when I don't come for the Facebook say, oh no, we have to do so. People then they say, I don't explain what you have to do for inside La Republique. Now projects. If you say if you adopt a project, more do you call what direct you what you do. So now she don't know what has get hotel born like glass. Say yeah, we'll burn everything down. When I don't glass, now this is not magic. Not be magic. Not be magic. So ask yourself why now this one man he talks until he do him every time. Go watch my video. I said that video was about I go me by the way I made mistake. I do the video for National Telegraph. I'm not be noticing a Telegraph what I did because I double click. You know, so we get salary that we get for help me download and not transfer for Eric Tato, then we delete the one for Telegraph. If you go check that video, we do about 3 days or so ago, or 4 days, it won't be the very next day or 2 days after that hotel happened. So I just pass the message of Francophones and for Paul Biya. Say, I get the technique, I get the capacity, and I get the resources by myself for born anything where I choose to born. And I go for targets where I know say I will succeed. When I will see explosion for Douala, see the bad born for Douala, all those things, they didn't happen by chance. They are not be magic. When I say it, I do it. And when I do it, I come and announce it. Sometimes I just stay quiet. Now I want to say, I don't be this cricket that they make noise for Facebook. No. I will see born more places. I go. That's what I'm saying. Me, Eric Tato. It's personal. Now so they fight there for me. No, we don't say so. Amber, I say, oh, you don't say this, don't do that, don't do that. No. Time don't pass. I need to negotiate with La Republic. Violence begets violence. You never even be lucky, except say, Tinende will get for do what you do. And we do a lot. Cameroon government be completely finished. Completely finished. Cameroon government not be pay salaries. Okay, look how many military men they say, all men and women. Look how many teachers they find them. Cameroon don't lose if it's small. Now 5,000 soldiers. 5 if it's small. You see investigator. Some don't die, some don't run. We'll get them very plenty when our friends, our brothers, and the day America when I know. Some the day Greece, some the day Dubai, all them. And any military will watch me. Just run you. You don't need to go to fight that senseless war. You know must join Amber. Run away. And if not be self say people that will diaspora they take money, we don't get plenty soldiers that they don't defect camp on our side. But they not be get a plan. I will put a suggestion here on how we accommodate defected soldiers. But people they take money chop and become man one defective for army, we don't know say family will stay or chop or wait if family will chop. So it be absolutely important. By the way, I want to thank all my we don't share this show. We over 1,000 people right now, close to that, and we'll hit the figure. Despite the fact we won't suppress the page. Don't terribly suppress this page, but yet look at how many people. I'm not even be able to share for WhatsApp because my phone don't freeze, my other phone don't freeze. But look at how many people are watching. Thank you so much. So if you know what share, click on share and then click on the like button. Make sure you share, make sure you like. So it be very imperative for Ambassador to understand, say, you see, me and he talk plenty and he can make noise. So, oh, you have to, we now give someone ever donate some money, give me. No. We get a very few people there on the background. Sometimes they say, okay, now $100, this one go do so. And they see the results. But I don't talk them very clearly. Eric Tato not ever come for it. Because first of all, you know how una Amber una behave. Una continue to see action. But no say not be magic. No say not be magic. All that boys will put them for the Douala, Yaoundé, other side, they need bikes, Okada, machine. And would you want buying and the same bike the way that bike rider they use them for Douala? Listen, I'm not turning the plan. The reason I say we'll get 2 reasons. We'll use that bike to facilitate to take action. Number 2, we want to create a scenario where Cameroon to go ban bikes and for Douala and Yaoundé. Now why I said I made the announcement public. Now technique, not at them say, oh, why can't review say you now will go for the use bikes? No, and they talk me they know so that if they fit ban bikes then then hardship will increase. When hardship increase for Douala and Yaoundé, we feel likely see protests from the youth. And they will take advantage inside the chaos. Use your brain. So now I talk, so anything I can talk, I calculate and 2 million times I look the disadvantages. It will always be 99.99% on our favor. So we will buy bikes. We have Amber Boys in Douala and Yaoundé, all those areas that will be using the same bikes. So we'll do it, we call them for journalism, say mainstreaming. Mainstreaming, then they say go to room, do what the Romans do. That's what we call mainstreaming in journalism. Might give you a good example for mainstreaming in broadcasting. One journalist, the way he used to use them. Now, Benjamin, the way she used to do Hello, it where we want to talk about primary school picking them. It wear primary school uniform. Now mainstreaming that, because if you go for primary school where all man wear uniform, they don't know who be bad person. They just say all man at school picking. So I make sure so they buy bikes. Amber Boys, they use bikes for facilitate movement. And it will be at the same bike where all Okada put for Douala they use them. That's a very kind bike, so don't really get them. I will buy second hand them. So that all will be so that now when they hear now francophone audio talk to the head, they'll start say, hey, maybe Amber will start use bike. Just imagine if they ban bikes for Douala, we have won. That's the best thing. So you must create chaos, you take advantage of the chaos. So we were going to be buying bikes. So me, La Republic, me Paul Biano say bikes will be used by Amber Boys inside Yaoundé and Douala and the rest of the places. So if they want to ban bikes, no problem. We will still go by foot, all of us. So they should get ready because we're going to buy bikes in like 10, 15, 20. That is a project we must do. We should don't buy. After you don't know, we go buy the bikes and go register them for them. Well, you go action, we know what to do. You can remove the plate and put it different. When you come back, you put it. You run in town as a normal person. So that is the strategy. When they hear so they was confused, you see tomorrow as I be talking about bags, handbag, and they go ban handbag. I want to make the ban bikes. So if they ban bikes, that will be an excellent thing for us. So we will not cause a shortage of transportation. We'll bring hardship for all man for Douala Yaoundé. So we get equilibrium now with our own area. Since they ban bikes of Bamenda, we feel like the ban bikes and too. You feel they ban bikes of Bamenda because you say Amber Boys they use bikes. So that will also make a meal. So we'll use bikes too. And that is how we're going to do it. So bikes will be bought. Our boys there carrying actions will be using. Because man don't go burn some bike, work on our food. No, you need bike. And when you go back, you carry another person on top. They go fix it on and a customer and bike man. You go there, park there, you do the action, you come up with you. Who burn that place now? Bike man. Bike for the hunter burn place or the other. That is what we want. So this is a project where you do it, you actually say it because you hope whatever be the case, if you not take action, we still get advantage. We use the bike and go burn. If they take action, we get multiple advantage. They shut through their own transportation system. So that is the technique. Listen very attentively. We win the war. And I have the map. The map is there. It's easy. Let me tell you one thing. If me, I will get only $250,000 for this match to be able for me every time to oversee them. I don't want to touch the money. Cameroon don't negotiate things because I don't burn all government places. But when I give the money for cheap people, they arm over them, they chop the money, then they carry do new thing them. Some people they see they follow the Lengombe. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you. Cameroon will never win so long as I'm alive. It no will ever happen. And if it take 1 year, 2, 3 years, 4 years, my own personal money I work out in America, I'll put it there in the war. Yes, I told me all my hair. They no will ever win the war. It no will ever happen. You don't say anybody myself about people they say they attack for inside bush for bellow. Waste of time, waste of resources. Waste of time. Get me the chiefs, get me the councillors, as I'm going to start getting them from tomorrow. Bank shops that are going to be opening, doing ghost towns, allow the people in the villages to do their things. It's simple. Chiefs, councillors, defaulters of ghost town. The war is maintained in Ambazonia. Then we take it across the Mongo. Get the bikes, 10, 20, 50 bikes. We put it there, the work Okada do, disrupting them. Let me tell you something. We have to change the game. And this young man has the map. The map that will reduce casualties in Ambazonia. They don't be kill 25,000 people there for inside Amba. They see they go to disturb, they go to kill more people. No. If they shut down bike sector for French Cameroon, we don't win the war. We don't win the war. You know the advantage when we figure out the chaos inside traffic for Douala for do magic. Yes. And that's what it will be. You get the point. That's how it will be. And make it be very clear. Cameroon will never, ever, ever win this war so long as I'm alive. I use the preposition I because it's a personal thing. You get the point? Oh, I watch people in a thousands. How many they contribute $1? They'll talk about bikes. If they buy bike, put your shit on the way. I go buy the bike. Buy it now much. Buy it now much. You get the point? We will fight this war till the end. We'll not have time for pickpocket gossips the way they say, oh, no, the man is so and so and so. No, listen. Listen, let me tell you something. The war must be won. Whether can won't go up or it come down. It will come negotiate with Ambazonia. That is clear. That is clear. You know, see, I want you to write this thing for down. Write them for down. They call and say red hearings. Red hearings. Mr. Man spell the word red hearings. If you Google and find the meaning of red hearings. You know, as a communicator, a lot of things they do, I bring piggy dictionary. I talk about a lot of things. So here they can say, wait, red hearings. Red hearings. Write it down. Hashtag red hearings. I want me to man hashtag. Now, we spell that word. Most message spell. Red hearings. Now, we spell the word. I say to my video. Please, hashtag the word. Somebody will spell them. No, that one be wrong. That first person spell them wrong. I want to person will spell the word correctly. Let me hear. Yeah, that's how it's pronounced. Red hearings. I want to spell the word right. Yeah, that one Hearings. They wrong. It's wrong. That's not the spelling. But that's good. That's good try. That's good. More getting lessons. So see now. Oh, perfect. Some man don't get the word. That's the word. Some people don't spell them correctly. Very excellent. Now this, now the word is where our boy don't spell them bounce up picking. Thank you so much. Right now, now the word that we bounce up picking spell them. Not be Hearing. No. Now Hearing. They put as red hearings. Thank you. That's the word. Very good. Excellent. I love them because they are so smart. Okay. So red hearings. Now which is the way Biya use them. That's the technique he's using in this war. No, now kind of like delay tactics, distraction, where we distract people from the actual thing. So Biya don't do all this while. Always bring one or another thing for distract people from showing the severity of the war in Ambazonia. That's what they call red hearings. They use them. People use them, you know. So that's what Biya doing. So that's the right spell way Barrister Tamasang spell them, bounce up picking and so on. So that's the word. So you're very good, very good. The word is spelled red, now two words. Red, then you get Herrings. If you add S because it's plural. Red hearings. Thank you so much. All my spell that word correctly. Someone hashtag that word. That's what Biya is using. Maybe not many people are hearing it for the first time, but that's the technique Cameroon is using. When you see, like for example, what they do for regional election, they try to do now red hearings. They come for distract people from the issue. For sure, they say peace don't return from Ambazonia and so on and so forth. But it is never working. And so we too will get to make sure we counteract Biya red hearings by flooding the whole of the territory in the 8 regions with a lot of small hiccups. So we're going to move above. I tell you about all these things because these are some of the things we see we use in communication too. Like I talk about mainstreaming, we use this bike. All man get bike, our boys and get bike. We'll drive the Okada men and we'll do a lot of harm for the Republic of Cameroon. So Biya calculate for this side, say they're going to use red hearings for deflect and distract the international community from the happenings in Amba. But then, if we successfully use the red hearings because it will need for concentrate for the security threats away, what they give them for that side for the Republic of Cameroon. So that way you see we are going. Me all man hashtag that word is very, very important. Very, very important. Cameroon will never listen. My turn on one thing. I heard that way. So when God give you crow, it give you finger for crashing. There is no way. Listen, they will never win us. I can tell you for 100%. You are the one who will refugee camp. And here, I don't know what happened for refugee camp. Plenty people don't even care for no what happened for refugee camp. We refugee them for Ogoja. They get issue with the community for them. They give them 7 days with the pack go. But I want to say when I calm down, those issues will be resolved because that's how society is. They never get chopped for 6 months. The UN officials they take chop or whatsoever. I say calm down. So we get a lot of issues that they go on. And we have to concentrate for level and for calm down, for close down those gaps. Cameroon will be ever win Ambazonia. Trust me. Okay, look how much he spent on my Facebook page for this distract me, for disrupt my broadcast, but everywhere people are still watching on YouTube, everywhere. So we will make sure we deflect any red hearings attempts from the Biya regime. And this is a strategy. While they can't do red hearings, we are mainstreaming. And then we multiply our diplomatic techniques abroad and then multiply the firepower on the ground against Paul Biya and his cronies, and above all, take the war to the Mongols. That's the technique. And the war is won. Take out the chiefs, take out the councillors, take out all government structures, allow the population to be okay. This brings me to thanking Dr. David Makongo. I'll thank him in a few bit, just to come. So, God bless you. Some people, they spare that word, the red hearings, correct? It be very, very, very important. Not ever green may they distract you, and they not also bring a countermeasure. Because that's what probably you do, right? We say, the real subject, whether the Anglophone crisis, it do everything for make sure say it move away from that. It want international attention, look and say, oh, this crisis is still going on, what's happening here? So, not technician them. Now people, they don't do politics so long. Look how long probably are they for government. So he knows what he's doing. So we not together for now apply mainstream. We got to do mainstreaming. You got to go do chameleon way. You turn immediately those bipolar for Douala, the game change. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank Dr. David Makongo. Now, one of the architects for the Russian diplomacy. So me on my hashtag, thank you, Dr. David Makongo. As a matter of fact, I don't raise it to the rank of a professor. Because it do extremely well for giving advice they do for Russian embassy. And today, all of Ambazonia, they see what will happen where Russia don't change the tone. And at the most, Russia talk the most significant thing for the Security Council. Where Russia be there amongst Russia, it be Russia and France, where nobody support Ambazonia at all. At all. So now we don't successfully get Russia for our side. We have to continue to educate the Russians then, because we continue to thank Putin, President Putin and his cycle for that great favoritic speech for Ambazonia. That was a favor, and we thank the Russians for that. So they thank Dr. David Makongo. And then any other person, if you say you don't work with the Russians for background, oh, no, thank you too. So when I do a great job. But as I talk, last time I will talk some very important thing, but I know we take time to explain them. Well, I will take 1 or 2 minutes to explain them. With due respect, public relations means say you do and then you tell. That's the exact intrinsic communication, when you talk about the literal meaning for public relations. When you say, when you do something, you go tell. Because public relations means an image. That's what it means. So when you do, you tell. And then, other things they do with the interplay. So now I will tell some person, say, why we African talk say, the Russian stuff, it be thanks to our diplomacy, because we do them and we follow up, and we follow up straight. Russian don't change the tone. And that's thanks to the group, the team we go for Russian embassy for Washington. And I will explain. You see, Washington, D.C., now the economic capital and political capital for the world. Now, by the way, if you go now, so you go from Cuba embassy, go, you one or you una two, go protest, make noise today. The next minute, Cuban president not here. Go for Ivory Coast embassy, go protest, or go for AU headquarters, go meet. The next minute, African Union not here because the whole world is there for Washington. Get that one very carefully. So when we done with Dr. David Makongo, I've been getting meet with Dr. David Makongo for more than 3 hours and consecutively. Today he even said I think $200 or so for support that Russian listing. I will draw all those strategies and we will look at all the political and diplomatic reasons where they around the significance of go for Russian embassy. Although some ambassadors they be short-sighted, they feel say because they assume say maybe Russia will do this and America may be trouble. They no. We need to look at who get trouble. Would go for sound also figure help. If America think we help, fine. If Russia think we help, fine. We need all man for be on the table for assist we forget this independence. And so we'll move now. Our next strategy now, it's not going to be based on insulting the French. It will be based on soliciting to the French for them to understand. Say if I thought they didn't get advantage with the Republic, they physically can negotiate advantage too. Wait till they get. So now we get only one person with the Security Council way in the disturbed week and when in France. So what we have to do now, so we have to multiply our diplomatic advances towards France. So you don't only say because say France did this, now colonizer and so on, you only can caution. No. You got to don't try to strategize. So go try another style. Go soft, go back. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to move to France, try to talk to France. French might not be as bad as a lot of people think. We think so, officially talk for them. Because no matter what happens, if all man go vote France veto for Security Council, nothing will happen. So we need that support. And that is why we must make sure we go all these embassies and for beg them. Not if we go to say, oh, Russian, you are wicked. If we go for them, you'll be here, we'll be there with Ashley Kingsley. We shout, we need Russians. They heard it. They go research, but who are these people? Listen, some man derive for say France is evil. Yes, no problem. More assume so. But if we go back, sometimes if you negotiate with man, me not chop your picking him again. If you negotiate, yes, this is the time. If you want to negotiate with a Republican and Wishman, you feel negotiate with France, we have to hold a key to an extent. So what's the difference between wanting to negotiate with a Republican and you're not begging France? We can go and beg. Calm down. This is diplomacy. You understand till I talk afterwards? We will see on the fan, we'll just change your mind. So we are going to start this. And we'll go to the Russians, we'll beg continuously. The US is already seeing the US know this trouble. America already called for dialogue long ago, 2 billion times. Germany don't call for dialogue. The only person we didn't now will get for Holland and France. So we'll go for France. They will talk. We'll go the embassy there for corner this hospital for Roosevelt Street around somewhere in DC there. I mean, every time we go there. So we have to go there. Me, all man, calm down. Don't worry about what the bad, the good. Leave it. We're going to take it one step at a time. So with this, we say we on the path of the victory. So nothing is going to beat us. We have won the war. So we're gonna one issue for our diplomacy. Now we'll get new administration will come up in the days ahead. We'll get a lot of our black people in there, our black brothers, a lot of people the way. CDN get a lot of connection with them. So I want to thank CDN, Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation. We so far now the best organization way is follow this revolution without any bias and without any interest. So I want to congratulate all man for the CDN. So more continuously follow them, see what they do, advise to and propose. They are the best. For Georgetown, thank you so much. Yes, Georgetown Hospital, very good. Baba Fan, you know the exact spot. Just French embassy, just directly where you go from Georgetown to French embassy, and I walk in about 10-15 seconds and stuff like that. So one thank CDN and thank everybody. So we'll therefore make sure we'll go for French embassy in drones. All of us. Now I want to talk about the enemies of the Ambazonian Revolution. One day diaspora, one day on the ground, and I want to start on the ground without mincing word. Ekeko. He called himself general. When I know Eric Tato. I take this one last so that make it get clear for you. Listen, just as we don't tolerate chiefs them and councillors, we don't tolerate Ekeko. You are there from Dian, you are there from Meme. Send this message to Ekeko. From today, December 13, 2020, Ekeko na an enemy to this revolution. He be wanted. If you not stop the nonsense they do on the ground there. Will not be get person called himself general. It don't become now a terror to the population around you. And now they remember on the Indian, on the top. On the run counties and local government areas. And so one man they the thief people then pass having the Cameroon government. Listen very attentively. All my watch from Meme and Indian know what they talk. And some people they feel fear for talk, say, oh, the people find their family, if you do that, if you do that, and so on. You know, if you try that nonsense with me. Maybe from today, my talk very clearly. And if you not change, I'm sending in boys there to take him down. Write it down, I'm at the top. And I need job when I talk something. AK could not go the 6 people that farm. 6 people that, 6 mami that jamandama they come on market. 6 people that petrol. 6 people that gari they go sell them. Stop motor for go take bribe. Disturb people, arrest people, beat people, 6 people that woman. They will therefore the look, he say, he be who? He be who? Na me ask her. He be who? That's the question. And now make them very clear for all who now when they will download and travel 6 for their property. Now temporal. Now temporal. You get them very, very, very clearly. Get them very, very clearly. AK could get for no one thing. It doesn't be number. Now, me talk. If you don't stop now for the intimidated population, take for the cocoa farm. What nonsense? AK will ask you. Who give you the visa for the talks for George Paul and take the cocoa farm? You be who? Is that why you're fighting? You don't live in a republic now. You need fight war again. You take now people that farm. Make it be very clear. We not going to tolerate this kind of attitude inside Amazonia. And all we now in the villagers when I live and one man he take una cocoa, una gang up against you. Show say where they meet the Gary immediately. I don't give them the permission. AK will not get to live again. And as I don't open my mouth talk, so I will go down and pray for you. If you continue to teach people that cocoa, whole farmers them, you know, go see the next week. In fact, Christmas will meet up in Jesus' name. What nonsense? May be clear. May be clear. We're not going to negotiate again with boys and way. They out there for disturb the revolution or for make sure so they destroy the reputation for Amazonia. AK could fight for side. AK could fight for side. Any fight for side. AK could fight for side. When we take now only put the cocoa farm. And it do in complicity with someone for diaspora. Take some of the money give you now. How na agree say fight can fit take for the farm. And it be normal for now. What? No, man ask them. It be normal for now. Una need tire complain they come about Keku. Every day don't take my cocoa farm. Every day don't catch you man. Every day don't kill you one. Every day don't do this. You don't do that. Is that what you're fighting for? Is that what you are fighting for? When I tell Erika to talk, I'm not be one of those small activities away. Me and the talk chair go do. If by I need Erika 10 days, not be 12, 10. If you not stop, you return all my farm, you will be down. I can tell you and I will do it. We will not take no more nonsense. We will not take no more nonsense. Leave that place where they can't fight for Kumba, can't fight for Boya. Go fight for Limbe. Nobody one man where they go from. Did you waiting? Are we crazy? May be very clear. Make it be very clear. And I did tell you one thing don't get from no. We will not tolerate this kind of attitude. For fight and for what you take for the cocoa farm. If you walk that cocoa farm with you. When you walk the cocoa farm with you. No, this nonsense for stop. Man, tell you one thing. At the top, I use the word. If Eke will continue, he will be killed. Yes. If now your brother or he only a command, tell him stop and he return all my farm. If he continue, he will be killed. It's not a joke. After any fight, no war again. Any fight, no war again. So Ekeku must let my people go. If you touch one man farm anymore, I'm not going to waste on time. We go was on fire, you chop that farm now. And I'll give you one advice. You Ekeku don't take your farm. No go back for fight now. If you out there, don't relocate the person who goes on site out of town. Leave the rest and know what to do. I will take him out and you go take that farm. He will take the farm for how long? He will take the farm for how long? And this goes same to all other generals. The one I take for that motor, you go cash on person, take him motor. You go cash on person, do this. No, you know work under my regime. If you be general where you cash people for ransom, you will be killed. Listen very attentively, you will be so killed. It's not supposed to happen. You wash past Cameroon military if you go take my cocoa farm. They are washed. Please, if you not share this show, make sure you share the show. Me be very, very clear. I be very authoritative and stay about this aspect. If you spare self cheap way go vote, but you will not be spared. I mean, when I say think I know, why some man will go take some person in cocoa farm? For which reason? For wartime? It could not be able to protect the people there. Listen, I know I hear some man say, if somebody is barbecue is this, it's a lie. Any man don't own a farm for 10 years, 5 years, 2 years. I mean, all the farms and the poor, they own them before the crisis, for God's sake. You're talking about 4 years of ownership at least. You go take somebody's farm, say me defeat the family, how? You collect bribe, 6 mamida cocoa, 6 oil, 6 bamboo, everything could be 6 plus 4 that broom for shoe house. And you go across. It be so, I don't call it na bird, palm bird. Well, me be clear. Now me, Eric, I don't talk and I get a promise. If it continue, he'll be down. Beg and pray. Any man won't beg with me, beg. He'll be down. He will be down. You cannot steal from your people. Protect them instead. I talk clearly, right? So actively, if you can, I need a big favor from no Ambazonian. I come here every time to speak the truth. You get the point? When I see my guys on record before some driver, I won't do it. No. Me be clear. It will be, listen very attentively. I tell them, I say, issue for chiefs, when I hear news already, chief side, me man not tell me anything about any chief where they kill you, or where they die, or they do anything. I don't hear no story about no chief. I don't give the order. Say, no chief not going to be seen in the village after a vote. It be simple. Yes, you be banned. You not get 10 guns, anything happen in your business. That's all we talk about. Whether they queue now for southern zone, northern zone, no. And it's going to be like that. Before one can talk something, it already happened. That's how it is. I show example. It's going to be like that all over. Chiefs will not exist. Chiefs will not exist again. I don't talk about. If it be chief, they kill you. Why go vote? Listen, the discussion not about the issue. If you vote, don't go back for your village. Go you back for your own day. That's it. So, if they stand on southern zone, you go for northern zone. Any chief will vote, you'll see how. That's Sunday this. You'll see something now. I don't activate. I need to talk to you. You don't be activated. The boys know. The AK could also go see him. If AK could not stop, we'll switch to Apoyi. I will move boys from the National Army. They'll go there. They'll take him like a crab. They'll pick him like a crab. Crab will enter on cook for that bamboo, they catch fish water. They'll take him there like that. And send to all the chiefs. If you go and vote, you sign your will that you don't want to live no more. That is how it is. What nonsense. They say, you want to disrespect, go stand, go try and tomorrow see something. Go try and say, open your store, see something. Now I talk. Wonderful. Open your store. Open your store. Open your store, see something. If you don't say the person tomorrow, open your store. For Limbe, Dual, for Limbe, Boya, Tico, anywhere, open your store. Banana, open them. Kumba, open your store. Please, I beg, go open them. I'll show you example. I beg you. You hear me? I beg, try to open your store. No fail. Try. They must see. You know why they call me Eric Catton. Try it. I need wait my money for draft too. I need wait money for draft for the woman with disrespect goes down. No. I need wait money for draft. All my thing automatic. I press my button red down. Come on. You know how much I use about one story? You open up a ghost town. I tell you simple. I will make it so easy. Douala project they hire because now out of town. One store Now $100. Yes, if you open one store, I use $100 abonam. And I will show each time I'll show example. I do $1,000 I'll burn 10 stores. And I get the money for selling the burn the store. So if you open up, it's very easy. The boy will chop 50,000, one or two. They'll get that 50,000. One man. So me be clear. You get the point? Me be clear. I don't believe first thing first. You ever know the kind of activities. You know, the activities, the way they make noise, they broke, they not get money, they wait and say maybe we'll not contribute. But me, I get my money personally by myself. So I can take the action. Put them very carefully. I get the resources, the cash day, when me I pay my own money, I pay use them. So I thought I want to say one time I made a bond 10 store. I did do them. I know when I say me some Amber can donate. Any man won't do it after that's the person in business. So I just say open your store. If you open store for Kumba, okay, see, any store open Kumba, just give me. If I get the information on the store, I'll burn the store in the next 24 hours. Listen very attentively. So it be easy. And now $100, 58,000. They'll buy petrol, movement go be 8,000, 50,000 go for their pocket. Now one man to go burn one store. It's very easy. So easy. Easy, like easy. Listen, if you do it, I bet it. I talk. And this one, my core. So if you know, say listen, and it's so easy, you know, because when I don't even get the protection. Now, who the guy your store? So you won't go up with your store on Monday, then cry on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. Because if you up on Monday, sell, no man, they're not even going to kill you. Not just the store, because the store, you know, with the burn all things inside the store, you get maximum torture. Up with your store on Tuesday. Any man will touch you will come for your defense. Nobody not will touch you on Tuesday to Sunday. But Monday, you try it, you'll be down. The store will go down. 2 arches. 2 arches, and I can do it. It's so easy. It's so cheap. It's so easy. You get the point? It be so easy for me to burn anything, anywhere inside Amber. Any store. Because that one guy, you guys see, we don't need gun and cartridge, now petrol and bike. 2,000, petrol for 500. You know, who go there, burn and the boy, they go chop the other 50,000. I will do it. Try it and see. And then when the money for draft there, and this brings me to talking about draft. If not be say, some people then too they stupid. Bible talks say name the follow person. When I know it to be draft na game. Draft na wait in a game. So na game when I don't play scenes. When I see people they can talk about recovery for draft. When I don't know that it makes certificate for award people. You award that certificate, you are worse than a chief will go vote. You know why? Each time when you draw up a strategy, the completion will be based on time frames and events. True or false? Yes, you know why they say any man make New Year resolution? You will make New Year resolution for July? No. You start preparing a New Year resolution for December or for January itself. So when you get events that they pass, CPD and the campaign, when I do draft, when I calculate draft, now which year? 2035, when Biya do emergence for Cameroon. So I don't postpone draft. Please, when I keep when I draft money to 2035, because December don't finish, they don't vote, all things don't pass. So I want to know the draft now waiting. I be telling you, say that was a scam. You guys thought I'm joking. Because the guy people they were for ground zero, the worst enemy. Now Keku. Now be the worst enemy. Now the cash people them six people. But diaspora and Sako be the highest enemy for this revolution now. With Chris Arnold and the rest. Those are the two enemies. So when I see the situation and now I believe every title. Where is the draft money? This is mid-December. This is mid-December. Mid-December. This is mid-December. Where is the draft money? You see some of the drafters, they don't run the show. So that is the situation. So when I keep money for draft to 2035, we don't need it. But anyways, if I want to live a convict, this shall come in the pay rent. Very good, go ahead. I will still repeat and tell you now. There is no revolution where person will intend to be leader, he be zero on cash, low on dollars. It's impossible. It must get some certain leverage when it comes to the economy. You cannot have a man who has been in prison economically, a man that poverty has captured, a man that is wrapped in misery, who come and lead a revolution. It has never happened. Everybody in the Bible will get job. Zacchaeus being a tax collector. He be thief, baby can't surrender. Jesus, his papa, being a carpenter. I say, after I say, that will be here, Jesus. I thought Jesus, we don't owe the whole 33 years before he dies. So. That way, Jesus, be small, they be born in from, they go take about manger. After that, be here, Jesus. No, when I know why. Now, only for oral tradition, be here, say, Jesus, they should not for table, if they make magic, put the hook out table and stuff like that. But we'll not be here much about Jesus. Why? Because Jesus be surely the help if papa the carry plan timber. You always should come for number. Ask for your number village. I'd go in Timor. Go carry banana. My big mama have JHS with cook. Carry banana so you waka so. You know say no. How you go can come on, you know struggle for get money. That's the point. Jesus Christ was helping his father. If he carry timber, Joseph will make all good carpenter or all good furniture. Look at America. Now the richest poor, them. Farmers, furniture people, them, and so on and so forth. Before they get big tech, they're obviously always the richest, but these are poor. Don't well, look, Bob furniture and so on. Look, the best poor they have for that they make money, carpenters. How some man go do the America, he not get every job. Every day you can turn and say, oh no, they draft this, draft award. How many draft on the one? But I'm not buying no gun. How many drivers don't do one? But don't action that one. Now chiefs at the panic, put already cry, say, oh, this chief is dead here, this one is not dead here. The more will go. There is no compromise. And I have the capacity to do it. Now I think okay, we'll thank Dr. Makongo. We'll come up and go to Russian embassy. Only few support from our people. So they bring all the idea, but then you can't fight, say they be this, they be that. You never let Dr. Makongo to say he be president for this. No. But the NGO, they go move container for 17 million naira and so on and so forth. So the draft, when I do all the magic, today they can announce, oh, we raise this in draft, they will still chop the money. I'll be happy so that they down on the Siam. Refugees, when they go refugee camp for Goja, when they cry, they not chop, when they go protest. Now ask myself, say, how is it possible to say, they get 1.4 million where they rest for diaspora? When I not get $1 for them, they even $1. When I wait now for you, all the money or rest will be able to create shops in Nigeria for help that picking for them. But you have armed robbers here. Chris Anu now don't hear that the news talk again about FEMA. Say they have sent 20 billion troops here, 1 million helicopters. Chris Anu will use FEMA to thief all the money be thief. Now FEMA shall be fight for sir. All FEMA shall fight and so most of them did in Dubai, some don't pass in Mexico. FEMA shall not even know play with it again. But you can't. Una know why we FEMA shall not come out for 1st October. Because at the time he did not have up to 10 fighters with him. Minus his 7 and 9. Now the rest don't go, they don't take it. Yes. That's it. Why? Because propaganda and thievery nothing ever be tolerated in a revolution. You not be lie go for too long. Sarkozy if he say he go lie go up so look at a riff rat, an armed robber, a criminal, a gangster, an illiterate, with fake degrees them for Nigeria. Can they call himself a doctor? Take one money. I don't talk one very clearly to anybody. I don't hate Sarkozy, I hate the thief in him. And so any man won't be any project will make and say, oh, maybe Sarkozy should be just no say that project I know no. I don't ever endorse him. We will not collaborate with armed robbers and thieves in this revolution. So long as I'm Eric Tato, I'll keep fighting, educating our people. I tell them, you know the things I do in the background to put this revolution opposition where they without our contributions. Zero from none of them. Oh, Eric Tato, this is you nothing she don't show it watching me to say okay no but this man won't go buy the bike now how will do for every contribution now $25 me they use and go buy the bike. Okay, why now any guy go use money for go burn shop where he open for ghost town there? Why don't you not give well, some 50,000 to go burn shop? How now any guy to go cut banana he want for this thing? Master, every na force of Victoria to go tire. Yes, but that's what people think. When I want all things happen by magic. When I show them go give money for they go chop crab. All would chop crab them, but we would chop them from our own money. Not the one we put the contributor. You cannot imagine. Say, man, we'll go chop crab for 900,000. Every day I keep asking, do you have guns inside crabs? That's the question I'm asking. Maybe Sako see gun for crab. Inside crab, he go buy crab, he see gun. I don't understand. So when I was seeing that action now, all chiefs them now, the chiefs will be going down, or they will have to leave, or they bring 10 guns. 10. Councillors will be going down the same way. It will not be tolerated. No chief no exist against Ambazonia. Now I don't do that. Prisoners they suffer. Some lazy flock. They from America here, they work and make noise, say the president Bosa. Imagine the riffraff, an armed robber with no man for US and not recognize him when I make a noise for WhatsApp group. Zero diplomatic achievement. Zero. I mean, if you imagine saving Joseph with a carpenter, Jesus in Papa beget, here they call him for Bible. Joseph the carpenter. Joseph the carpenter. Sako, what is Sako? The boy say, oh, Sako is John and say the president of Amazonia. Wonderful. Great job. Great job. I see some one man out of thousands of people and say we love Sako, of course. Dave will still get followers. You think that will stop me not love some person? No way. How many people? If you write for him, me will say I'm going to hashtag Sako is a thief and put hashtag Sako is not a thief. Let us go. Now you one day they call a Babala CFA on our way. Your name must be a name for money because you are an armed robber like Sako. All man hashtag for him. Sako bring back our money or Sako the thief. All man hashtag. My God, one thing. You know you want to build a democracy. Sako is a thief. Everybody write it there. Let them see it. Yes, big thief man. He's a crab eater. I will not tolerate those who eat crabs in that manner in Amazonia. Yes. So let it be clear. All man will know. Will they fight against the biggest injustice for human race when at the Paul Biya regime? The biggest injustice. And will not be tolerate another thief man inside our midst. It will never happen. Yes. Like somebody has written there, Sako is a thief pastor. Very big arm robber. Very big one. And when I don't can to say grab recovery, it not be say you door. Either you door or you don't lose your brains then. After how many months when they start draft, the first money we give, you know, I see no result if I tell you $1. Or the money they claim say they don't get up. Election hole. Then Sako should have poverty. The cameras want to recover draft, it an award certificate. You see why we scammers and never lack the way they move. You know, Sako always be innovative. Drag will fail. It will bring down a car race. Because it's taking games them. Or it will bring soccer. You have to soccer your money. The guy, well, listen, but to be honest, I drove my heart. The guy is tough in scamming. That's the truth. Whether I like or not, now go up, come down. Now I to say, Ambazonia is the one I want argue. Oh, no man of the compare Sako for scamming. Now, then I only think that we know. Yes, he has the craft. He knows that. No, it's a fact. He's very, very good at scamming. And boy, they can say, oh, this and so on. Listen, we don't really win the war. We win the war with that draft. But you do things about Douala, you own the soul. We'll give how much? You know what it means to execute a project? We'll get schools them in numbers of Douala and so on and so forth. So that's a therefore at the end of this show in 5 minutes or so. Make sure say you put this show for YouTube. I have to check a number here. well, I get forgive all my followers them when they watch me for calling. Oh, okay, I'll get my code. My phone here. So I try, just give me a minute. I try for pull out. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, very good. I got it. So I try to make sure say I will pull out some number from Verbatim. Okay, very good. Oh, sorry about that. As you join the share, I want to give. Oh man, why do I have this number? So my other phone don't free, so I try to get this number from. Let me see this. How do I get this number? For some reason, except otherwise, let me see. Star message, Verbatim. Let's see. Come on. Well, anyway, I want to give us some contact for Verbatim LLC before I end the show, but unfortunately, for some reason, must see quickly. Okay, we'll just keep sharing while the hashtag, whatever we can. I will try for. Okay, I expect I'll get the number. Must see any man get the Verbatim number or something. If you send them for me, please, I'll be very grateful. I think it is inside my computer. Okay, anyway, while you hope say I will, well, just my other phone really freeze, so I don't get no number from there. So I try for get the number from my computer, but unfortunately I not fit. I don't know for some reason. Let me see. That I try to get that number, which I appreciate I'll get them in a few. Thank you so much. Please don't be very patient. The number should be coming soon. I'm going to get the number before I end the show. It'll be very important. Okay, why I want to talk about this computer school for all my watch me now, because I feel say very good. I get the number now 2407 017796. Very good. 7796. Excellent. Very good. Thank you so much. They someone will be really very patient, and I think I got the number now. So very good. So I'll talk about Verbatim before I end the show. So all my will watch me, all my followers, this school they teach our own brother. It teach Scrum, and very cheap, very effective. Now for those I do my own Scrum masters. So any man will watch me, I'll give you this number after this show, because the class start maybe in a week or 2 weeks time. I will probably after Christmas, I put on that way. So we need to register en masse. Very cheap. And this is it. I'll give you that the number. I'll give you the website. I'll not be the number. I'll try to get the number. Finally, I got it. So the number now 240-701-7796. Now Verbatim number that. And any man would watch me, any part of the way they has to watch me now. If you call them, I'll just educate us a little bit. Scrum, like I don't talk plenty time. It's just like kind human resource management where now you give tax for people they check on so and so on and so forth what it happen. And so it's a very easy job. You're not even calling me to explain for you what is Scrum, because now part of the class. So once you call, you discuss your price with you get registered, and you'll be ready for go. And the most important thing I say, like my own machine will be used for the Scrum class, not using some sophisticated machine. Even laptop for $100 if you use effectively for Scrum, if you buy a second-hand laptop and so on and so forth. So while you get back home, if you use them anywhere, whether you're in Burkina Faso, you're in Mali, you're in Japan, Ghana, Australia, Switzerland, Belgium, anywhere where you did, now advantage is if you take them for enroll for this school, so cheap, in less than 6 weeks, you will not earn you don't finish the class, you enter certification. Once you be a certified Scrum Master, you are good, you are excellent. If you get job ranging from 100,000 US dollars to above and below, depending on your negotiation and your savvy. So it be so easy, and anybody, if you get job for Scrum anywhere in the world, whether in Africa or anywhere, irrespective of salary, if you do this thing for Ghana, you get a big job, because some people they do recruiters, they recruit online. So I'll give you the phone number once more. The phone number now, 240-701-7796. This session, it already almost closed, so they take remaining, I think about, they take about 20 more students maximum. So I assume we would still watch half 1,000. If we call in the first 20 people, you get lucky to get discount. So anybody to watch me, don't forget 240-701-7796. That is the number for Verbatim LLC. Verbatim LLC. If you should get them online on www.verbatim.com. Verbatim, B-E-N-B-A-T-I. Okay, now the phone number that I'll pin them here for putting the one. Thank you so much. Pin this comment. Very good. So now the phone number that very excellent, my brother. Thank you so much. Now 240-701-7796. So now the phone number. Me all man take the advantage, of course. And I know say I don't think I recommend it until they find. It's perfect. I want to see everybody for progress. If all will go out there, I mean, Scrum Master, they be ever always needed. Every year they update and so on and so forth. And the man to the school, they have with free tools and we use them for follow up and stuff like that. So now advantages. And I think say the number they on the screen. Put the watch your WhatsApp, where they watch your WhatsApp letter. We know they see comment for Facebook, and put the watch your YouTube and other platforms. I'll give you the phone number once more: 240-701-7796. Call in, register. If you pay school fees in installment, and it's quite cheap. So the idea is to want to get everybody out there, me put the try to get 1 or 2 things to do. Whether you be nurse or do this job presently, you face the advance or do your Scrum Master, if you be bigger, it'll help you for your business. I mean, and it helped me a whole lot. It helped me for strategize. I think it's okay. I don't do the cover of a magazine. I never finish my cover from a magazine. I need to go for the next thing. So you do project by project, you know, daily Scrum and all of those things. So it's so beautiful. It's the best, and it helps for any aspect for life. All right. So 240-701-7769. Oh, is it? 96. 240-701-7796. Right there on my screen. Thank you so much. Me all my hashtag that number. I'm going to see the number. I'm going to write and repeat the number in the next 2 minutes before I close the show. We will thank the management for Verbatim. I'll get for contact them very quickly. They send me the number because my other phone with number, they don't freeze. You see, and if you even be able to go for my WhatsApp, so I therefore we do for people to call me today. Thank you so much. I believe that. Oh, it seems like my phone came back. Oh, it didn't come back. You see, so we'll not be able to get to WhatsApp. So so that's it. So now I have to find way for get the number. Thank God to get the number. So any man for any part of the world, whether it's in Asia, Europe, Africa, America, anywhere, any state for US, if you call in, the number right there. Thank you so much. 240-701-7796. So anybody watch me, call now, and then you get all the discount, get enrolled, and then start the school. It'll be very important. So 240-701-7796. One of these days I'm for Telegraph. I organize some small show where people will call in for see if it raise challenges and see how even me I assist them for giving small support. Me go for the school, probably they won't go. Some people, some. So but for now, make sure you call, and then we'll get everybody out there. You know, if we get everybody registering and going there, you need when you register, you need to give me extra $1 for your registration. That's the first thing that you should know. It's just assist now, so you make sure say. Okay, yes, thank you so much. Yes, very excellent. People need to watch from out of America. I get from a push +1. If you want to call out of America, please. Thank you so much. So Mandom brings some very important suggestion So put +1. I think we'll type and back. Put +1 for front that number. +1, American code, not forget. Very, very important. +1. Probably they watch me right now. +1, they put 240-701-7796. Alright, so with that, you'll get to Verbatim LLC. It's a very great school, very fascinating. The teachers will be so good, excellent. In fact, the first day for the orientation, I really enjoyed Dr. Mo for him to teach all the way from Germany. He teach you quality assurance and so on and so forth. It was so beautiful. So we need everybody to be there. It's important, right? So thank you so much. Yes, thank you. If you put +1 or you put 001, so the +1 is easy. But will not be able to type +1 for their phone. If you put 001, they put the number now. So any country get country code, so US code na +1 or 001. Thank you so much. Great suggestion. The name for the school now Verbatim LLC. VENBATI. Verbatim LLC. So one time all my watch. So make sure you just call. I mean, we watch 5,000. 20 people they call, get enrolled in the school. We good. Next session, because not if you take all my one time. Next session will be because I want to make sure they get direct contact with students and for ensure everybody, everybody really get the fair share of the class. For get the concentration, the teacher really get one-on-one, study your issues and resolve your issues and stuff like that. So I'll give the number once more. +1 240-701-7796. So that's the number for Verbatim LLC. Thank you so much. Please, 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 please. Make sure you put +1. So if you call now after this show, if you know I get the number, I don't get time for write it down. Go back on this show, just listen to the last part, you'll get the number. You write them and then off you go, you call, you'll be good. Once more, thank everybody else at the school that Verbatim LLC. Verbatim LLC. +1 240-701-7796. Excellent. Put +1 in front. Great job. Great job. +1 240-701-7796. So that's the number. So I mean, I'll be very grateful and happy. And now, if all my Amazonian brothers and all my friends and followers they watch me across the world, across Africa, if they get a Scrum Master job, that makes the Telegram family bigger. Okay. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Very good. So we had somebody we should be blocking here at the end of the day. Okay. So that's where we're going to go. So we want to thank everybody who don't listen to the show. So please, 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 at the number that's an opportunity I think everybody should grab. So when you end this show, just call, make your payment plan, get enrolled, get the knowledge is very important. Why if you don't get some job now, let's change lives, all right? Which I like about this school, I say the proprietor or the managers they not get a lot. Then that point not be even about money. I just say they want to make sure say any might come up with they may get a good an experience, maybe an ambassador or therefore they say, okay, you know what? When I feel talk them because even though I be keep 1 or 2 classes, but I follow up and I understand a lot, and then they get back to me for teaching me some of the things that I lost for those classes. So and another advantage I say once you don't join the school and you don't be registered, maybe if in the next class you cannot understand something, you can always call, they'll give you a link for enter for study the thing and not be understanding. That's the most important thing. All right. Thank you so much. God bless you now so much. And I'll give the number one last time. +1 240-701-7796. That's Verbatim LLC. If you write them on support@verbatim.com or if you get them on www.verbatim.com. Thank you so much. Call today, get enrolled, get registered, and you're good to go. Be the next generation Scrum Master. Right? And they teach you that. Above all, they teach you how to get a job. When you write a certification, they take you through how to do interviews and all those things. That is what I love about them. So God bless you. Thank you so much. All right? All right. Okay. So we're going to leave it here. Except otherwise. Great show today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Happy Sunday. Once more. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.